Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 16th to 20th Feb 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in Euro USD on Friday. So as you can see, on Friday 0.02% negative move. 1.18677 was the closing on Friday. Here now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bullish candle with a medium body and a high or a big upper wick. If I talk about the lower wick, there is no lower wick currently. So here we can see a good bullish momentum in Euro USD. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around 83, 80, 93, 85, 93 levels, which is at overbought area, which surely indicates as a negative momentum from here. But remember, as we always say, we should not depend on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a 1-day chart. So here this is a 1-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. Also, if you want to learn trading from me, then you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. Even you can directly find the package from the link given in the description if you want to learn trading from me. I always help you with the live trading sessions only, where I show you the strategies and accordingly we proceed from there. So currently, if you are interested, then do contact me, or you can directly buy the course or the live one-on-one session from the link given in the description. So now let's talk about the closing first. In Euro USD, we can see 1.8677 is the closing here. The direct support is 1.18507 and direct resistance is 1.18755. After direct support, there is a support of 1.18202 and then 1.17882. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.19004 and then 1.19194. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I have already shared prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. If you want any discounts, I have also shared a discount coupon codes which will help you to take better discounts on any prop firm that you buy challenges, so you can grab that as well. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So now let's talk about my opinion in Euro USD for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a positive momentum in this end, that is 1.18755 to 1.9004. If we see a good big gap up opening, then we can go for a long till this level as well. But if we see a short or a gap down opening, then you can go for a short once 1.18507 gets breached and a 4-hour or a 1-day candle gets closed below this, and you can go for a short till this level. Even this level gets breached in a 4-hour candle, then you can go for a short till this level as well. Overall, my expectations is a bit positive in this range for this week. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.